Hi everybody, it's the No Added Salt Guy, and this is the No Added Salt Guy Cooking Project. And what I'm about to show you is the basis of what the No Added Salt Guy Cooking Project is all about, using the ingredients within the meal to flavor the meal. Here I've caramelized some sweet potatoes and onions, a little bit of garlic and some olive oil. What I'm going to do next is saute some chicken breasts in there, using the ingredients within the meal to flavor the meal. Next, what I'm going to do is saute some chicken nuggets, and then I'm going to make mashed potatoes in the same pan, adding some milk, some butter, some other seasonings, and then the potatoes, and mash everything in the same pan. That's what the No Added Salt Guy Cooking Project is all about, using the ingredients within the meal to flavor the meal. By the way, this is the result of a 6-pack of chicken breasts. I made 19 meals out of this. No Added Salt Guy Cooking Project. A little less salt, a lot more flavor every day.